What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Desert Outdoors. I got a bit of a tips and tricks video for you guys today. I thought while I was working on any of these, I'll just do a bit of a run over for you guys. If you guys are getting into fixing up quads or thinking of getting into fixing up quads as a little side hustle gig like I do myself, I just thought I'd go over the basics of what to do when you first get a quad, especially if it's a non-starter or a non-runner. This is what I do anyway. But if you buy a quad, and most of the time they don't come with a battery, first step, grab yourself a battery, hook it up, there's obviously a light there, and see if it does anything. So pretty much you can tell a lot by a quad just by hearing it try and turn over. You can sort of figure out where you got to go or where you got to start from that initiate point. So if you turn over, you know, you hear a clicking or a ticking sound like tick, 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 tick. Obviously I've got the spark plug out at the moment because I'm going to show you guys in a bit what else to check. But if it's like making a ticking sound, that could be the solenoid, could be the starter. 9 times out of 10 it's the solenoid. This little bit here, usually that will go before the starter. But another thing is, if it's sounding good but it's not firing, could be a few reasons. So what I like to do is I like to take the spark plug out, give it a bit of a clean, and you can hold the spark plug to the engine and you should be able to see spark when you try and turn it over. So just be careful when you're doing the spark plug stuff because you can get zapped from it. Yeah, as you can see there, so it's got spark. That's not the issue. The spark plug's not the issue and the spark lead's not the issue. So then you just obviously put the spark plug back in, do that. So yeah, if it's still not firing up when you put the spark plug back in, I'll check your carby, which is this here. There could be, you know, old fuel trapped in here and it's just really dirty. So take off the carby, give it a good clean out. You can get products from Super Cheap, Autobahn, all those types of places, or you can get it online. It's usually pretty cheap, just like a parts cleaner. So make sure it's set to run. It's off and on, or run. So make sure that's on. And some quads you'll have a like a safety feature, I guess, where you have to hold in the lever and try and start it. So some quads don't, this one doesn't, but some quads do. I know some of the Chinese ones do. But yeah, so just make sure you check your switch at the front near the handlebars there, that it's on, not on, off. Holding the handlebars while you try and start it. Check your spark plug, check and clean your carby. Make sure you got fresh fuel in the bike too. So if there's any other fuel, it's pretty simple. You just drain it. There should be a, if you look up in here, there's a hose here. And some quads will have a hose coming from here to here, but this one's just straight into the fuel tank. So you just take this off. There is old fuel in there, drain the old fuel, and then put the hose back on, put the new fuel in there. Another thing is this is a fuel switch, so make sure the fuel is on. I'll show you, this one's a bit rusty, but this one's a bit better on this quad. Where you can see it's, probably won't be able to see it, but off, on. So off, on. So just make sure it's onto the on, otherwise there's no fuel going to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for the, pretty much starting to look over a quad that's not running. If you buy one that's running, obviously you're probably paying a bit more money for it. And we're here to make money, so check your spark plug, check your carby or clean your carby. Regardless, a carby clean is always good. I recommend that every time you buy a quad, because usually they've been sitting for years, especially if they're non-runner. Check your carby, clean it, check your fuel switch, make sure that's on. Your safety switch, off and on, make sure that's running or that's on. And the handlebars, if they've got a safety feature, make sure you're holding that in while you're trying to start. And if that's still not working, any of that, check your solenoid, check your starter motor, check all your wiring. And if you do all those steps, then 9 times out of 10 you'll get the thing running, unless there's more problems within the wiring or internally within the engine. So, but yeah, hopefully that helps somebody that's trying to either fix a quad or get into flipping quads on the side. They're always my steps that I follow, and so far I've had a pretty good run doing that. So I just thought I'd film this video while I'm working on this Timberwolf here. This is going to be the second quad I do up and fix and flip. for a profit on Facebook Marketplace. This is episode 2. But I just thought, yeah, I'll do a tips and tricks video for you guys while I'm working on it. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the tips and tricks video I got for yous. But yeah, until next time, yo!